Have you ever seen a night out turn into a full-blown brawl with a friend and a cop? How about someone trying to fight their way out of paying a Red Lobster bill? Or a diner expecting Facebook friends to pick up the tab? If not, you're in for a treat. Welcome to T-Cops Cam, where the unexpected is just the beginning. On January 19th, 2024, in a normally peaceful neighborhood, things took a chaotic turn. Police officers were called to the scene because someone reported a potential fight. When the first officer arrived, he saw a man who wasn't following his instructions. As the officer tried to deal with the situation, a woman suddenly jumped out of a car. She began moving around, clearly agitated, and the officer quickly realized she was the real problem.
Florida, Lincoln, Nora Victor, Lincoln 90, LNV, L90.
I got it. Look, I'll put it on here. All right. Hey, look, I got it. Hold it. Let me get her. Can I get her? Stop. Here. I got you. Here. Take these off. Here. Look, I got it. Here. Trust me, I got it. Here, let me hold her.
Central 430 status check.
Here. Harley. Here. Relax. Harley. I was trying to prevent all this. I understand. I know you're trying to arrest me. Stop. I wasn't trying to. I was trying to detain you. I was just trying to. This from happening. I knew if you did that. God.
Stop. You'll be alright.
I'm good, dude.
You're good.
Harley, just stop. Harley, you're too far going now. It's over. 4:30 Central. I got 1:10:15.
The woman, who seemed out of control, had already hurt her friend badly before the police got there. Not only that, but when a bystander tried to stop her, she attacked him too. She kicked him in a painful spot and even headbutted him, making the situation worse. Several other people tried to help, but the woman was so aggressive that they struggled to calm her down.
You are going down, I promise you.
Stand up.
Wyatt, stop! Wyatt, get off of me! I promise you after.
In the back. Have a seat.
Why are you hitting me in my face, mother? I'm gonna
Harley, stop! Just get in the car, please. Hey, Harley. Can I push her in there?
No.
Hold on.
I need to unlock.
It's on my set.
Wyatt, get off of me! I'll hit by you, mother! I will kill you! Get off of me! Oh, get off of you, mother!
As the police tried to arrest her, the woman began shouting all sorts of things. She was very angry and said mean and hurtful things to everyone around her. It was clear she had been drinking, which might explain why she was acting so wildly. The officers tried to reason with her, but she kept screaming and threatening to hurt people.
I f***ing had everybody's back, no matter what! No! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Get me out of here!
What's she so upset about?
Dude, I had no f***ing idea. Like, all of a sudden, she just f***ing switched. She sat there. It beat the shit out of me. I was
I mean, she's going to jail.
no, I get it, but like, dude, what the f***?
How the f*** are you gonna let me stay here? I would never let you, bitch! You! Drag your f***ing shame! Drag your dick in the mud, bitch! I'll f***ing beat the f*** out of you! How the f*** is my family gonna turn on me? Get these off my f***ing wrists! again. They're not my family anymore. I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you, bitch!
The woman continued to yell and make threats, even claiming she was rich and important. She boasted about her wealth and her job, saying she didn't deserve to be treated this way. But no matter how much she yelled or threatened, the officers remained calm and focused on keeping everyone safe.
Lickin' having-ass bitch. I will drag your daughter. I do every bitch in Charlotte County's hair. You know that, right? Yeah, no, I do. I probably do your daughter's hair. And I will, yeah, your daughter's probably ugly. Bitch, drag me the f*** out of here. Beat the f*** out of me, because I will beat the f*** out of you when I get out. Let me the f*** out of this cage. I am not an animal. I paid $700,000 in taxes last year. Let me the f*** out of this car. Oh my God. No, let me out.
Trying to get you out.
Oh my God, I'm gonna freak the f*** out. How the f*** do I pay $700,000 a year in taxes and you're gonna have me? Please, don't touch me.
In the end, the woman was arrested for her violent actions. She committed a serious crime called battery on a law enforcement officer, which is when someone hurts or tries to hurt a police officer while they are on duty. This crime is against the law in every state because police officers are there to protect everyone, and hurting them is a serious offense. The woman's actions were not only dangerous, but also illegal, and now she would have to face the consequences in court. On a warm July afternoon, 8:10, a woman named Darnesha Williams decided to eat at a Red Lobster in Secaucus, New Jersey. After enjoying her meal, she suddenly refused to pay the bill. When the manager asked her to settle her tab, Darnesha became upset and tried to leave the restaurant without paying. The manager tried to keep Darnesha from leaving, but she wasn't backing down. She started arguing and even said she was ready to fight if necessary. Things got so heated that the manager had no choice but to call the police. When the officers arrived, they found Darnesha still refusing to pay and causing a scene.
My camera's activated, you're not leaving.
Activate the camera, I don't give a fuck. Because he's hella weird. I don't care.
Okay.
So you do what you gotta do.
Alright, you're not leaving.
Do what you gotta do.
You're not leaving.
Do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Do what you gotta do, because I am. Because I told him I was gonna get money for it, he said no. So then I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. So if we gonna do whatever we're gonna do, we gonna fight it out till the end
Don't
of
make
the
the situation worse.
He's weird. No. I'm not staying here for that shit. Y'all always call like 5 officers for bullshit. It's not that fucking serious. Like the fuck? Even he know that.
You see 5 officers here?
Every time I go to jail, it's 5, 6 officers. For what? It could be a simple.
Why you do that? Because I have
No, you're weird. I just let the fuck out you, bitch. He weird. I said I'll give you the money for it.
She's lying. She's lying.
I said I'll give you the money. I'm God I did. On my kids I did. Nigga, I said let the fuck out you. Back to your bitch. I said the fuck out you. I said I'll give you the money. I did. And you said no, officer here. And I said I will give you the fucking money. So if you want to fight about it, we can do that. I don't give a fuck. But this nigga got me fucked up. I'm about to slap the fuck out of him. So that'll give me for assault too. Give me for that too. Make sure I do that. I'll put this shit down so I can fuck this nigga up before I go. You not finna go jump in a bullshit like that? He's hella weird. He know that. You go come back up, do what you do.
How much does she owe you?
What I owe you? What I owe you?
I'm not. Listen, let me speak to him.
What I owe you? What I owe you?
Yo, you gotta
What I owe
stop.
you?
You gotta
What
stop.
I owe you? What I owe you? What I owe you?
You gonna show you? Gotta
Yeah, what I no. What I'm finna hurt you. Hey.
Now you're under arrest. The fuck would take a fighting stance on me? Stop resisting.
As the police tried to arrest her, Darnesha resisted and became more aggressive. She took a stance as if she was ready to fight the officers. Despite their attempts to calm her down, she kept threatening them. The officers had to physically restrain her to prevent the situation from getting out of hand. Even during the arrest, Dara continued to shout and make violent threats. When the police searched Dara, they found silverware in her possession that belonged to the restaurant. This added to the list of her offenses.
Red Lobster or no?
Yeah, Red Lobster.
Get his info. Get the manager's info.
Are you the girl at WCBS the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the same one.
I thought you were leaving town.
I stay parked over there.
Didn't I tell you not to steal? Do you want to
Yeah,
get
you told me not to
Yeah, I
steal.
did tell you, right?
Yeah.
Is there anything here?
No, you can pay if you want to. That's mine now.
This is yours?
Yeah. I didn't see that.
Let's get him in the car.
Please don't pay.
Take her in. Are you working?
The officers took her to the police station where they asked her questions about what happened. Afterward, they issued her a summons, which is a notice to appear in court, and then released her from custody. Dara Williams committed several crimes that day. She was charged with theft of services because she tried to leave the restaurant without paying for her meal. She was also charged with harassment for the way she treated the restaurant staff and the police. Finally, she violated the law by resisting arrest, which means she did not cooperate when the police tried to take her into custody. All these actions together broke the law, specifically New Jersey Statute 2C-20-8, which covers theft of services. On April 4, 2024, police officers were called to a restaurant called Pizza Fu because a woman was refusing to pay for her meal. When the officers arrived, the woman was very upset and started explaining why she couldn't pay. She said that her phone wasn't working properly because it didn't have Wi-Fi and that her money had suddenly disappeared from her account. She also mentioned that her dad was unavailable to help her out and that this kind of thing happens to her all the time.
Good. Did we get this figured out?
No, I need my boyfriend to pay my bill, and what happened was my other phone, my phone doesn't have Wi-Fi in there.
Let's take this outside.
Sorry.
I just.
My dad did 44 years in the NYPD.
Okay.
You can call him.
That doesn't matter.
It does matter. I had money in my account, and now
Up to
I
him.
don't.
He's in charge here.
Okay, I had money in my account, and now I don't.
Okay.
This happens to me all the time. My car broke down. You're like, you can see it.
Well, you need to pay your bill.
I know. I'm gonna make money if I have my phone to make money.
Well, you need to pay your bill now.
Okay, you have to take me to jail.
Okay. So you're not going to pay your bill?
No, I'm gonna pay my bill if I have my phone. I
Are
can't
you going to pay your
find
bill
it.
right now?
I'm gonna try.
Where's your phone?
In the bar. Probably in my bag, or sometimes it vanishes because God just does that shit to me.
I'm confused. How are you going to pay your bill with your phone?
I'm gonna ask people on Facebook to pay my bill. Morgan Wallen. He does do that.
All right, sit here and do it. Yeah.
Well, Pariah, we can.
Wait out here for it. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Where's that?
In there.
All right. So
I had money in my account.
are we going to pay the bill today?
I want to.
Not with asking Morgan Wallen to pay the bill here.
Okay. My dad.
Your dad means nothing to me. To be completely honest, he means nothing.
I know NYPD cops hate you guys too.
That's fine. It doesn't matter that he's NYPD or not. Your dad is not. And
My mom can pay my bill. I went to her house to try to get it.
Okay, is your mom willing to come here and pay your bill right now?
Yes, if you call her.
Okay.
If you call her, she's not going to believe me. She thinks I'm a psycho. She's stealing my kids from me. We can trauma bond all day long, but we're not going to do that.
The woman had a plan to pay her bill, but it was quite unusual. She said she would ask her Facebook friends to send her money to cover the cost of her meal. She even mentioned that a famous musician, Morgan Wallen, might help her out. The officers asked her to pay right away, but she kept coming up with reasons why she couldn't. She suggested that her ex-boyfriends or even her mom could pay the bill if they were contacted.
What's your bill? Go ahead. I'm sorry?
I can print it.
Cool. She's sitting here trying to come up with all this stuff about how she wants to try to get the money. So we're not have
Well, she
to.
wanted off. Yeah. She didn't have a car, and then
she walked here. Like, she walked in here with no car, and then she drove off in that maroon car. So someone had to have dropped, like, I was like, either she's a magician, she's a movie star that's just trying to cause trouble for PR. Like, I don't know what, I just can't read it all, and I'm like, I gotta...
Larry will pay my bill.
Larry? Who's Larry?
Larry, my ex-boyfriend. All my ex-boyfriends are friends of mine. They'll pay my bill. They have jobs. But I need my phone to work, to call them, and my phone is dead. I can go to my house and charge it.
The situation became more complicated as the woman continued to give confusing explanations. She couldn't remember where her phone was, claimed she had money in her account earlier, and even said that her car might be parked nearby, although she wasn't sure. The officers tried to make sense of her stories, but she kept changing her explanations. After a while, it became clear that she wasn't going to pay for her meal anytime soon.
Perfect. Thank you. And you said you're not going to pay this?
No, I am going to pay it tomorrow.
Okay, well, that's not going to help me. All right, turn around and put his money back.
Really?
Yeah.
When the officers told her she needed to pay right away or face consequences, she still refused. Eventually, they had no choice but to arrest her.
All your friends know me.
So you said you have a knife up your...
Yes, I do. You want to come get it?
No.
I didn't think so, asshole.
Okay.
I was at work all day. Thanks. So you know.
Appreciate it.
Holy cow.
Yeah, some more Brody for you.
No, well, there's a bunch in here. Did she buy that one from you guys?
Well, yes, she bought
Well,
it.
yeah. And then she brought these?
Yeah, those were in there in the bag. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Thanks, Austin.
Yeah, not a problem, guys. Y'all have a good one.
In the end, the woman was taken into custody for her refusal to pay the bill. She was charged with defrauding an innkeeper, a violation of Florida Statute 509.151, which makes it unlawful to obtain food, lodging, or other accommodations with intent to defraud. By attempting to leave the establishment without paying and providing no legitimate means of payment, she committed a misdemeanor punishable by law. The officers, ensuring the safety of all involved, waited for the woman's mother to arrive to further address the matter. That's all for today's Crazy Encounters. If you enjoyed the chaos, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more T-Cops Cam. Let us know which moment made you laugh the most. See you in the next episode.